Okay, this next point is sort of a moot point, or one that you can talk to your gynecologist about, but there was an interesting thing that happened for my wife and I, which was in about our third or fourth ultrasound. A car backfired outside the doctor's office, and sure enough, the baby reacted with a jolt inside the womb, and it was quite surprising for me, but it made me see that the baby is aware of what's happening. So you're probably going to want to stay away from horror movies and loud movie theaters with lots of machine guns and stuff like that. Watch them at home on headphones or with the sound at a decent level so that you don't scare the baby. That you may not think of that way because the baby's inside of you, but realize they're alive and they're there. So pay attention to that. And in that regard, if you and your wife are planning on having sex, and I know I hate even bringing this up to you, but trust me, your gynecologist is going to bring it up in the most embarrassing of moments to you and your wife. And he's going to be even more blunt than I am about it. All I'm going to say is, remember that someone else is listening. So before you go on your Shakespeare monologue of love during your moment of passion, just realize that someone else might be listening down there. And keep it simple. And now that embarrassing moment is out of the way, thanks again for watching The Clueless Father. I hope it's given you some items to pay attention to. Discuss them with your gynecologist or your pediatrician or both. But these are really just common sense things. So I hope they're helpful, and I hope you stick around for more on The Clueless Father.